Reliving the past.
Lad, yo, long time I wanna hear you, bro. You don't know me, man. You don't know me, man. Say something, sir.
Memories don't live like people do.
Yeah, dog. On a big man level, you know, say, Stacey, I clot up a regular, you know, man. I beat that round the corner, around the bush, round everything. Yeah, man.
I see him girl,
suck, boy. Let go, boy, man. What you say to me while I'm Maya, what you say?
I say I suck out Stacey pum pum last
Mayo,
night, you know.
what you say? Say that again.
You suck pum pum, boy.
Maya, me don't suck pum pum, Mayo. Me lick batty.
What?
Me suck out batty, my youth.
Everybody happy and we know they like to.
Boy, you know, long boy, boy. You know, because I can't climb, boy.
Blood clot. Wait till you blow up.
Wait for who? If you have to stay here 24/7, say, right, there's a 24/7. See, I was dreaming.
Yo, me boxing, man.
Box who?
Me boxing.
Box who?
Me box. I'm a boxer.
Box me, stand right.
I'm a boxing.
Yo, you lucky say you're right there, so me not box it up.
Oh, you know what I'm
bad man. Don't play with me, no.
You know what I'm from?
Don't play. Box who?
You know what, my youth.
You don't pop the trunk for you, boy. Bro, you don't want this.
You gonna learn.
Yo, you gonna get burned today, man. You gonna get burned today. You gonna get burned today. You gonna get burned today. Yo, I bet you won't. Yeah. All right. Watch this now. I told you I got this. I got this, man. I got this. You watch out, son.
And I see the girl them a wind up like a bomb. She a tick-tock till time up. But I'm a better girl, something long for climb up. You know.
Yo, thanks for watching this video. You me, big up yourself. If you like the video, that thumbs up. Subscribe.
Beat up your cat, make you crab my back. Missionary style, more you ripe on the rock. Tick-tock, some can bust this clock. Yo, the girl says she want ripe on the cocky. Me say, girl, buckle down, cause the ride nigga rocky.